Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to reset your password of Betfair account. So let's get started. For that, let's get into any browser and search for Betfair exchange, and let's get into this first link over here. Now over here we can see this login/join option, so let's tap on that. Now we need to enter our username here. Now since we do not know the password, simply click on forgotten password. Now here we need to enter our username or email and enter your date of birth as well. Once you are done, simply click on check, after which the date of birth will be checked and you'll get a verification code or a link in your email, after which you can finally reset the password from that link and finally log in to Betfair account. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.